Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. There'll be a short. So as I had, I was doing my little vlogging or whatever. Get this bag, Rihanna. And so I had one in my little, local supermarket, have you, and so on and so forth. I go in this store all the time. This is my spot. I go there, shop. Not really my spot because they be getting cute in there sometimes, but I still go in there. Because they got the best deals besides, the Dollar Tree. So I'm in there and I'm going to make this real short. You can get that, Israel. I'm going to make this shit real short and sweet. Because I know for a fact some of those folks know that we have a YouTube channel and they do watch our channel. So let me just go ahead and say this. If I choose to record while I'm in public, don't tell me not to record. That's one. Don't tell me, am I recording when I'm in a damn public building, outside, out in the open. That's two. Three, would you tell a TV reporter stop recording? I'm the media. I have a phone. I can record what I want when it's out in public. Car crash, accident, fight, whatever. Bang. That's what I do. So don't come trying to be that person. See, everybody always got to try. You look in my face. It's so nice. She's so relaxing. And then, the bitch is out. Period.